Hello, students of ninth standard. For our supplementary reader, I already uploaded two videos of lesson number 1, right? And that lesson number 1 is The Lost Child. In my first video, I completed up till here, and from my second video, we discussed about in which shops became one type of attraction point for that boy. In first paragraph, we studied about sweet stall. Then second is flower seller, then balloon man, then snake charmer, then merry-go-round, that is roundabout, right? Then suddenly that boy found that he is missing and he lost his parents in crowd of that fair. So he starts crying and he's simply running here and there to find his parents. So let us continue our story yesterday, as I completed half page of page number 4. So let's begin let us continue our story from this point onwards, and let us see what happened with that boy now. He ran quickly again, this time to a shrine. Shrine means temple, to which people seemed to be crowding. अब मंदिर में मेला लगा हुआ था तो ऑब्वियसली लोग मंदिर में भगवान के दर्शन करने तो ज़रूर जाएंगे. सो मोर एंड मोर क्राउड वॉज टूवर्ड्स श्राइन. Every little inch of space here was congested with men, but he ran through people's legs. That is, so many people were there and space was very much congested, that is completely crowded. Lekin then too he was running between the people and people, his little sob lingering. Mother, father, सॉब लिंगरिंग, दैट इज़ वो सिसकियाँ लेकर, जैसे नहीं वो बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे एकदम घबराहट में रोने लगते हैं, सांस बड़े बड़े सांस लेते हैं और रोने लगते हैं, एंड कंटिन्यूसली सेइंग मॉम डैड. नियर द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द टेम्पल हाउएवर द क्राउड बिकेम वेरी थिक. मैन जोस्टेल्ड ईच अदर. होता है ना कि इतना ज़्यादा क्राउड हो, लाइन में भी लोग एक दूसरे को धक्के मारते हैं कि हमें आगे जाना है, हमें आगे जाना है. तो जोस्टेल्ड मतलब एल्बो मारना, एक दूसरे को एल्बो मारकर, दैट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ योर आर्म, राइट. एक दूसरे को एल्बो मारकर, एक दूसरे को अपने हाथों से, अपनी आर्म्स से पुशिंग करके लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. ऐसी जगह थी मंदिर में एंटर करने के लिए. लाइक पीपल वर सो क्राउडेड ओवर देयर. However, okay, heavy men with flashing murderous eyes and hefty shoulder. See, heavy men, flashing matlab shining, murderous killing, and hefty strong shoulders. You can see this tall and height and healthy gentleman. Okay, now story comes at this gentleman. Okay, the poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movement, he might have been trampled underfoot. Had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, "Father, mother!" A man in a surging crowd, surging, that is moving forward, heard his cry and, stooping with great difficulty, stooping matlab bending, bend hona. See, the man is bending towards this boy, so stooping matlab bend hona, lifted him up in his arms. So finally there come one man from the crowd who was going to help this boy, and he just took this boy in his arms, and then finally he started asking him about why he is crying and all. "How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you?" the man asked, as a stealed clear and of the mass. Stealed, that is made away. रास्ता बनाना। इतने रश में से वो बच्चे को बाहर निकाल रहा था और उससे पूछ रहा था कि आप यहाँ कैसे पहुँचे और आप किसके बच्चे हो। द चाइल्ड wept more bitterly and than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. सो चाइल्ड, वो बच्चे ने वो मतलब वो मैन ने जैसे ही उस चाइल्ड को उठाया, बट वो चाइल्ड और ज़्यादा रोने लगा और ज़्यादा ज़ोर से वो चिल्लाने लगा कि मुझे मेरे मॉम चाहिए, मुझे मेरे डैड चाहिए। देन द मैन ट्राइड टू सूथ हिम। सूथ मतलब टू मेक हिम क्वाइट, दैट इज़ शांत करना। तो वो मैन ने कोशिश की उसको शांत करने की, बाय टेकिंग हिम टू द राउंड अबाउट। विल यू हैव अ राइड ऑन द हॉर्स? He gently asked as he approached the ring. The child throat tore into the thousand shrill मतलब sharp sobs and he only shouted. sobs मतलब रोना, और ज़्यादा वो रोने लगा था। and I want my mother, I want my father. so मैंने अब उसको तरह तरह के लालच देने शुरू किए so that वो बच्चा रोना चुप हो जाए। So that man started telling him about to go in roundabout or to take a ride on horse. But now that boy was not at all interested in all these things. That my boy was simply having one demand, that is he want his mom, he want his dad. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played to the flute on the swaying cobra. Listen to that nice music, child. He pleaded that is he requested. उसको चुप कराने की कोशिश में था, इसके लिए वो फिर राउंड अबाउट के, फिर हॉर्स राइडिंग, और फिर फाइनली वो फिर स्नेक चार्मर के पास आया कि उसकी वो जो फ्लूट की आवाज़ है वो देखो कितनी अच्छी है, ताकि वो बच्चा वो आवाज़ सुनकर भी चुप हो जाए। बट द चाइल्ड शट हिज ईयर्स विद हिज फिंगर्स एंड शाउटेड हिज डबल पिच्ड स्ट्रेन, दैट इज़ और ज़्यादा दुख में उसने फिर से शाउट किया, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर। द मैन टुक हिम नियर द बलून्स थिंकिंग द ब्राइट कलर्स ऑफ द बलून वुल डिस्ट्रैक्ट द चाइल्ड अटेंशन। तो आफ्टर स्नेक चार्मर मैन टुक द बॉय टू बलून मैन, ये सोचकर कि अगर बलून्स के पास जाएंगे, बलून्स के डिफरेंट कलर देखकर बच्चे का ध्यान थोड़ा डाइवर्ट होगा और वो थोड़ा खेलने लगेगा और फिर थोड़ा मुझे बताएगा कि हु इज़ हिज पेरेंट्स। बट एंड क्विटिन हिम, दैट इज़ उसको शांत करने की वो बार बार कोशिश कर रहा था। क्विटन दैट इज़ टू मेक काम। वुड यू लाइक अ रेनबो कलर्ड बलून? ही परसुएसिवली आस्क्ड, दैट इज़ उसको शांत करने के अलग अलग आइडियाज़ से वो उसको फिर पूछ रहा है कि क्या आप बलून लोगे रेनबो कलर का। द चाइल्ड टर्न्ड हिज आइज फ्रॉम द फ्लाइंग बलून एंड जस्ट सोब्ड, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर। बच्चे ने बलून्स भी नहीं देखे और उसने अपनी आइज़ दूसरी तरफ टर्न कर दिया अपने आप को, एंड देन अगेन ही शाउटेड द सेम कि आई वॉन्ट माई मदर एंड आई वॉन्ट माई फादर। The man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Look, can you smell those nice flower, child? Would you like a garland to put around your neck? तो तो फिर अब बच्चे को लेकर that man went towards the door side where he saw one flower seller, and he took that child to that flower seller and asked the child if he wants that garland to put in his neck, कि अगर वो गार्लैंड लेकर थोड़ा चुप हो जाए तो वो उसको गार्लैंड भी लेकर देने को तैयार था। The child turned his nose away from the basket and retreated his sob, I want my mother, I want my father. सो उसने फ्लावर्स का गार्लैंड लेने से भी मना कर दिया। फिर वो एक ही पॉइंट पर था कि मुझे मेरे फादर और मुझे मेरे मदर चाहिए। थिंकिंग टू द ह्यूमर हिज डिसकॉन्सोलेट चार्ज बाय अ गिफ्ट ऑफ स्वीट्स, The man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. अब मैन ने ये सोचा कि ये बच्चा हर एक चीज़ को मना कर रहा है, तो मे बी ही विल गेट अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स स्वीट्स. सो मैन टुक हिम टू द स्वीट शॉप. What sweets would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother and I want my father. बच्चे को स्वीट्स में भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहा, वो अब भी यही बात पर था कि मुझे मेरे मॉम डैड चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट लेसन. इज़न्ट इट इंटरेस्टिंग? फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑनवर्ड्स बच्चा बहुत एक्साइटेड था फेयर में जाने के लिए. Then that boy saw toy shop, he got attracted towards toys. Then he saw mustard field where he saw so many butterflies, behind whom he started running to catch them. After that, as he entered into the village where fair was going on, over there along with his parents he was walking. He saw sweet shop first. Okay, first he saw sweet shop, but he was knowing his parents will not give him, his parents will not buy sweets for him, right? Then what next point he saw? After sweet shop he saw flower seller, right? तो फ्लावर सेलर से वो गार्लैंड लेना चाहता था, लेकिन उसको पता था उसके पेरेंट्स लेकर नहीं देंगे. आफ्टर फ्लावर सेलर उसने नेक्स्ट क्या देखा? बलून मैन को देखा, बाय हुम ही गॉट वेरी अट्रैक्टेड टू परचेज सो मैनी बलून्स, राइट? बट उसको फिर पता था कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ये सब लेकर नहीं देंगे. देन मूविंग अहेड, वो एक जगह पर खड़े होकर स्नेक चार्मर की फ्लूट सुनना चाहता था, सो दैट वो स्नेक को भी देखे और उस फ्लूट के म्यूज़िक को भी अच्छे से ऑब्ज़र्व करे. लेकिन वहाँ पर पेरेंट्स ने उसको इसके लिए खड़ा नहीं होने दिया, बिकॉज ही मे गेट अफ्रेड ऑफ स्नेक. आफ्टर स्नेक चार्मर finally they reached near roundabout and he was not able to control his will, and finally he gave a bold request to parents to do that he is willing to go in this merry-go-round. But when he saw back, he saw he is not having his parents with him, and he started crying. He moved towards the shrine, that is वो टेम्पल साइड जा रहा था जहाँ पर उसको बहुत क्राउड में से निकलना पड़ा. बट क्राउड में से वन मैन केम अहेड टू हेल्प हिम. सो दैट मैन टुक द चाइल्ड. सो मैन उसको सबसे पहले राउंड अबाउट पर लेकर गया, बट दैट बॉय वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड विद राउंड अबाउट. देन मैन टुक हिम टू स्नेक चार्मर. तो स्नेक चार्मर का म्यूज़िक सुनने में भी अब उसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. देन मैन टुक हिम टू बलून सेलर. तो बलून सेलर के पास भी जाने का उसको मतलब बलून्स लेने का भी ही वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. देन मैन थॉट दैट बॉय विल परचेज गार्लैंड ऑफ फ्लावर, बट बॉय हैवंट परचेज्ड दैट ऑल्सो. Then man thought okay, he will at least take some sweets and become calm and stop crying, but boy ignored sweets also. जिस सारी चीज़ों के लिए बॉय अट्रैक्टेड था जब वो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ था, once he got lost from his parents, he was not at all interested in all these things. Okay, so man was trying to ask him about his parents, but he was not answering. He was simply telling he want his parents anyhow. Okay everyone, so this is story of your first lesson, the lost child. In your textbook you have 5 question answers about the lost child. Okay, now I have answers of these 5 question answers. If you people can see and write answers, or else I will just click photos of this and I will put it in app along with this video. Okay, so see that you take out your English notebooks where you have written question answers of your supplement reading. Along with that, you have to go through with these question answers. You have to write these question answers in your textbook. So if I read it, what are the things child seen on his way? Why does he lag behind? On his way to the fair, the child sees flowering mustard field and dragonflies. He also sees little insects and worms. He sees dove also. He flew to the banyan tree and goes near them to get one. So he lags behind. Okay. Then the next one question is, in a fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he moves without waiting for an answer? See, these are very simple question. You people even can write your answer in your own way. Okay. Now this one question, that is the second question, can be asked in many other forms also. Like see here, enlist the things the boy asked his parents to buy from. Okay. Or else one more way to do with, that is, in a fair the child wanted many things. What are they? Okay. तो किसी भी तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा and you have to write answers for it. Okay. So I'll be giving you this pic in the app so that you can write down. At least do one thing, try to write it on your own, and then you can tally these answers. That will be also better for you. If not, yes, you can copy down, but later on see that you have to learn this. You have to do with these 5 question answers only. As in textbook, you have 5 question answers only. Okay. And then one more question I would like to give you, which you have to write answer on your own for this. Okay. Let me see. Let me give you let me give you 1 or 2 question, and in which you have to write your answer. Your first extra question will be, extra questions for which you have to write answers on own. Answers on own. Okay. First I can give you describe what attracted the child on his way to the fair. One is this, okay, in whichever things he got attracted, you have to list those things. Okay. But you have to write these answers in 100 to 150 words. I repeat, you have to write all these answers, extra question answers, in 100 to 150 words. Okay. Second question, if I can write, how was the child separated from his parents? And the third question will be, what was the child's reaction after he was separated from his parents? So these 3 question answers, you have to write it on your own and in 100 or 150 words. Your answers for your exercise I'll be giving you, and you just go through it and you can write those answers. Okay everyone. those answers can be within 50 words is okay. These all are short question answers. Okay, long question answers will be this, for which you have to write answers in 100 to 150 words. Okay everyone, so here I end with my lesson number first of your supplement. See that you complete your writing work in your notebook as well. Okay, so study well and take care. Bye bye.